Hello and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we will solve an interesting problem: finding the maximum number from a given positive integer by deleting exactly one digit. This problem is a fun exercise in manipulating digits and requires us to systematically evaluate all possible outcomes. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to apply this logic to similar numeric problems. This problem challenges us to maximize the value of a number after removing one digit. For instance, removing 2 from 1245 gives us 245, which is the highest possible result. Similarly, removing 0 from 10 results in 1. Our goal is to systematically evaluate all possible outcomes and return the maximum. This ES5 implementation systematically extracts digits and evaluates the maximum and number possible by removing each digit in turn. First, the digits are extracted and stored in an array. A nested loop creates a new number for each removal scenario. The math.max function tracks the maximum number found so far. The result is returned after all possibilities are checked. Let's break down the solution. First, we extract the digits and store them in an array. Then, for each digit, we generate a new number by excluding it. Using math.max, we keep track of the highest number encountered. Finally, we return the maximum value after evaluating all cases. Let's analyze these examples. In 1245, removing 1 gives 245, which is the maximum. In 10, removing 0 gives us 1. This systematic evaluation ensures that no potential maximum is missed. The ES6 version uses modern syntax, which are arrow functions for cleaner code, let for block-scoped variables. This version is more concise while maintaining the same logic. In summary, this program demonstrates how to systematically manipulate and evaluate numeric data. It is a great example of combining logic with practical applications. Try applying this approach to similar problems to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.